Hello again everybody, back again. Today we have an Abus 7240 padlock, 6 pins, it's got security pins in there. I have opened this before but I haven't actually gutted it, so we'll see how we get on. Full working order. Bitting on it is fairly interesting. So if you give me a minute, I'll get it in the vise and we'll have a go at picking it. Okay, attempt number 3. Same lock. Still all working. So, the first time I picked it, hadn't checked my battery and the battery ran out on the camera. Second time, got halfway through and the wife decided to come in and interrupt. So let's see if we get on better this time. So, because of the bitting on this, I do find most of the time we only really have to pick pins 1, 3, 4 and 6. 2 and 5 being solo set. Tend to set themselves as we're going backwards and forwards. Six at the moment. Whoop. Well, I was a bit surprised. The other two, or the other ones, must have just dropped straight into place. Alright, let's get this out of here. Must admit, don't think I've ever managed to pick it that quickly before. Right. And we have a little clip on the back. Let's get that out. I actually gutted one of these before, so we'll see how it goes. This one should be the right size. There we go. Right, that one's a standard, 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 a standard, and a standard. Let's see what we've got in here. Number 1 is standard. Number 2 is a spool. Number 3, another spool. 4 is a spool. Another spool, and 6. And can't see anything special on there. Come on, focus. All fairly standard. Just get these the right way round. Still can't believe I opened it that quickly this time. And that's what we have with the pins. Hope you can see that. So that is the Abus 7240 picked and gutted. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.